Howdy y'all, Fast Forwards 289, welcome back. In this video, I just want to give a nice thank you to each and every one of y'all. We have reached over 500 subscribers now, and I think it is terrific and great. And I just want to thank y'all, each and every one of y'all. It wouldn't be possible without y'all subscribing. You know, I like the gain in numbers, I like the support, I like the comments that I get, the thumbs up, all that kind of stuff. You know, and I think it's great. And so far, all the comments have been positive. I like talking to y'all. Y'all ask questions. If I have an answer, I'll give it to you. Or I've sat there and I've talked to some of y'all about y'all's cars and just, you know, some either y'all had back in the day or some you have now or whatever the case may be. And I think it's kind of cool building like a little community here, you know, and like online friendship, I guess you'd say. And I think it's great. I think it's cool. And like I always tell y'all, I appreciate you for watching, and if you have any questions or comments, leave them in the drop box, and I'll try to get back to you and give you an answer. If I don't know, I don't have all the answers. I don't know everything, but I will at the very least respond with something. I will try to give you some kind of answer. Even if I don't know, I'll say I don't know. But, you know, that's all you can do, right? You gotta be fair. You gotta be honest. But yeah, I just want to thank y'all. What I would like to do is do a giveaway of some sorts, but I would like to hear what y'all would like to see. You know, I tried it in the past, but I think at the time I only had about 200 subscribers. It didn't really end up working out. But I think now with 500, we'll have more of a chance, right, to get it out there. So let me know. In the last time I tried a gift card for O'Reilly's, I think it was $50 for O'Reilly's, I think. But anyway, tell me what y'all would like to see. Keep it within reason, of course. You know, let's not go overboard. But what would y'all like to see in a giveaway that I could give to y'all? You know, a chance to win. You know, the giveaways are simple that I do. All you got to do is just leave a comment down below. But I need to know what would y'all like to see. So comment down below and tell me what ideas y'all have. You know, again, try to keep it within reason. But tell me what y'all would like to see in a giveaway if we were having one. So, but I just want to say thank y'all. I think it's great. And I'm not going to ramble on too much here. I just do want to say thank you. It means the world to me. I think it is great. Like when I seen that 500, I was like, wow. And we were getting close. I was already like, wow, you know, we're getting there. So that's really cool. I think at this moment, as I'm shooting this video, we're at 506, which is amazing. I think that is great. That is fantastic. And like I said, I really, truly appreciate each and every one of y'all watching each and every day and subscribing, liking, commenting, all that kind of stuff. I think it is fantastic and great. So, and yeah, and I hope that I am able to continue to keep putting these videos out there like that for a long time. And I hope that I keep being able to provide help for y'all if y'all have any questions on things, or, you know, maybe some of them are just entertaining. You just like to watch, you know, whatever the case may be. I hope we can keep this momentum train rolling here and keep on pumping them out. I would really love to do that. I have fun doing it, you know, working on my projects, you know, here. I know the car is the main focus because that's just what I work, that's what I customize and all that kind of stuff. The trucks, I leave, you know, mainly original. There's stuff on there that I'll change or fix that needs to be fixed, obviously, you know, stuff like that. I like to do a little bit of everything, but of course the main focus is the car because that's the hot rod, that's the toy, that's the project, that's the one that I consider an auto resto mod. It's, you know, I customize it, I modify it, I restore it, whatever I want to do to it, I do it. It don't matter. I don't care about originality on the car, so I just do whatever I want to do to it. But on the trucks, I like to keep them kind of, you know, mostly mainly original. So, but yeah. Anyway, so that's gonna do it for this video. Again, thank y'all. I really appreciate it. Can't say it enough. You'll never know how much of how much gratitude I have for that. That's really awesome, I think. So yeah, make sure you comment down below and give me your ideas on a giveaway. What would y'all like to see for that? And again, as always, if you like the video, give me a thumbs up. I'd appreciate that. If you're not subscribed, consider subscribing. And I'll see y'all in the next one that we do. So stay tuned. Take care.